Welcome to the Food and its Sources course. This course describes the different ingredients of food items we eat and the varied sources of food we eat. We will also learn about the different food habits of living things and understand how the food chain works. Purpose and scope. Do you know that the food we eat daily is a mixture of many ingredients or components? Let's understand the ingredients through an example. Have you ever seen your mother making paratha? Did you observe how she kneads the flour, salt and water to prepare the dough and finally fries the chapati in oil or ghee and serve you hot? Now, can you identify the different ingredients of a paratha? The ingredients of a paratha are flour, salt, water and oil. Diversity in food habits. Have you ever seen a bird feeding on grains? Or the cows grazing the grass, the lizard eating the insects, and the lion preying on the deer? What do all these indicate? This indicates to the fact that each living organism has a unique food habit. This uniqueness ensures that each organism gets sufficient amount of food it eats without competing with others. Depending on the food habit, living organisms can be classified as producers and consumers. Producers. Who are producers? As the term suggests, producers ought to be the ones who produces. In the living world, plants are the unique organisms that can produce their own food. You may wonder that we also cook our own food, then why are we not producers? The answer is simple. We cook raw materials obtained from different sources such as plants and animals. Consumers are the living organisms who cannot prepare their own food and therefore are dependent on other organisms for their food requirement. Depending on what a consumer feeds on, they are classified as food chain. A food chain is the sequence of who eats whom in an environment to derive energy. The food chain always starts with a producer. In nature, the primary source of energy is the sun. The next link in the food chain is producers, while the later links are the consumers. The primary consumers are herbivorous and the secondary consumers are carnivorous.